Nobody believes me. Now, imagine this, guys. What if something big happened to you? Like, you just so fucking hard. The just string was so long. You tell your friends about that, and nobody believes you. I'm gonna make a hat that will help you prove your point. You know, on Twitch, you can record the last 30 seconds that happened in stream. What if you take this, but take it into real life? So you can record the last 30 seconds, what just happened. Now everything assembled, we just need to make it a little bit pretty and make the code work. Kill myself here. I couldn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up at 4 AM because I was so desperate to finish that code. I was thinking about every time a video is getting made, it'll get sent as an email to me. Now, unfortunately, the email service way that I was supposed to use is going over Google, and Google blocked that third-party service. And the thing is, it was like only a couple of months ago like this. Now, there are no tutorials, documentations on how to do that now. I'm thinking about just getting it sent through a Discord bot, because I think that's the easiest way. It did not work. Ask me why, please don't. The problem was that the video was always named output, means it would always just override the video that was existing before. So I gave the video an ID, so every time that video has been made, also the ID goes up. First of all, my room has a new setup. Remember how I wanted to make a clipping hat? A hat where you can have a camera on and all that shit? Yeah, that plan changed because first, I didn't want to waste any money for buying a cap only for that one single video. And second of all, I kind of forgot. So I thought I'll make that for my arm. Hopefully it won't look like a bomb. So it looks like a bomb. I tried to make that band on my hand. Now I'm realizing that kind of looks like the thing that the Nazis had. I'm not even joking. I'm just realizing that. Fuck. Anyways, it kind of does look like a bomb. This is like the live stream, this is like maybe the explosive, and this is the detonator. So I'll just put it on my arm. It's tighter than I thought. That's what boom. It looks like a fucking bomb. Hello guys, I had a problem. I wanted to demonstrate this device on my birthday party. I forgot, and when I was setting this up, I was way too drunk. I tried it on another party. When I tried to set this up, I was way too drunk. And I realized this needs to be on for hours, because if something interesting happens, then I can record it. Then, during this time, the battery would die. I have also technically always need to remote connect to the Raspberry Pi to start the program. So, I had an idea. Every time the Raspberry Pi gets power, it will automatically instantly turn on the code. Still, I took it to many parties and I always forgot to turn it on. So, I just went on cooking. Spam musubi, or like how it's called.
Spam musubi?
If you don't know what spam musubi is, let William Osman explain this, because I'm too lazy.
Spam musubis are a Hawaiian delicacy. A spam musubi consists of a slice of the finest canned lunch meat on rice wrapped with seaweed. It is an incredibly popular snack in Hawaii. The dish was created by Barbara Mura, who died in 2016. I'm just reading the Wikipedia article. Michael is from Hawaii, therefore he loves spam musubis.
Yeah, I guess it was it. I don't know how to end the video. It kind of worked. Unfortunately, I didn't have any ideas in what better way I would demonstrate this, but I guess the only thing I have to say is bye.